Welcome back to this video. If you use WhatsApp, here in this video, I will show you on how to simply share your WhatsApp status into your Facebook status or Facebook post without any stress. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. So if you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to App Store. Click on search right here. Come to the search app, type in WhatsApp. Click on search and it's open up like so. If you have not updated your WhatsApp, kindly update it right here. Once you update, after a successful update your WhatsApp, click on open right here. Then to explore the new features of sharing your WhatsApp status to your Facebook, what you need to do is to click on this three dots from the top. Then go to setting. Then go to privacy. Then go to status. Then go to Facebook right here. Then click on get started. Then click on agree. Then select your Facebook account. Then turn on this particular button. So it's as simple as that. So each time you post something on your WhatsApp status, to automatically share to your Facebook story, just like so. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.